It's a pleasure to be here.
Chemistry is required to have a sustainable future. So chemistry needs to have the skills to deliver for that sustainable future.
See the problems that are ahead of us, address the problems, and come up with viable technological solutions to really have a positive impact, avoiding any detrimental effects.
We need to change the fact that some chemists can get degrees and not know what makes molecules toxic. In 10 years, that must be a thing of the past, and that all chemists, when they receive degrees in chemistry, understand the potential for negative harm. When I say something, I go, oh, that's like Professor so-and-so. When I do something, oh, it's like Professor so, and I see bits and pieces of all these people in my past that define who I am. And so I've been blessed to have many, many role models and wonderful people to train me. Anything Star Trek.
I fully agree to that. And maybe not Breaking Bad.
No, I couldn't watch Breaking Bad. I stopped watching Breaking Bad.
Me too.
Yeah. But Star Trek. Green chemistry.